Top 5 Best Window Replacement Companies. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe and turn the notifications on. Andersen Windows. Andersen is a leading marketer and manufacturer of windows. In casement and double-hung styles, they sell new construction and replacement products. High-quality materials make these windows cost-effective while still being of great quality. Furthermore, Andersen Windows manufactures custom windows that include advanced security features. Pella Windows. One of the top manufacturers and marketers is Pella, which makes double-hung and casement windows. You can choose wood, wood grain, vinyl, aluminum, argon-filled, and low-E window options. In addition to stock sizes, Pella offers custom and special orders. There's no question that Pella windows cost a reasonable amount of money. Preservation windows. There is a new block balance feature in these windows. This increases the durability and convenience of the windows. Staining in different exterior colors are available for these windows. Compared to average window screens, preservation windows have BetterView screens which let more light in. Milgard Windows. The vinyl windows offered by these companies are affordable replacement windows. The company offers 4 window lines for you to choose from, with different functions and styles. For places with a lot of noise, Milgard has a quiet line designed to be highly soundproof. Thompson Creek Windows. Without a doubt, a Thompson Creek window is one of the best window products available in America if you've ever owned one. More than 40 years ago, the company was rated the finest window seller. In addition, there's very little maintenance required for Thompson Creek windows as they are corrosion-proof, fade-proof, and resistant to fading. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe and turn the notifications on.